I will continue to show more clearly.
我就是从这个开始的，所以你正常往下讲。
And for this module, all the control system on the right handlebar, you can see, and this black, which is the accelerator to control the fast and slow speed, and the red little one is the button to control the forward and the reverse function. And also there is a instruction light to judge the battery capacity to help you in working. And the battery fixed in the black bento box, and also the red button is the master switch to contact the battery. And here is the charging place. And the standard plug is European plug. And we can also change to the US and UK styles for you to meet a different market. And for the max working time is 10 hours for this module after fully charged, and also only need 2 hours to charge back to the full capacity. And for the total, the height of the equipment and the size of the front shovel is also can be designed according to your request. And also we support other OEM service such as additional wheels, jack, the floatable platform, oil drum, that's no problem. And we can design for you. And all of these designs from our clients, and they received a lot of nice, and we received a lot of nice feedback from them, and we received the goods. So if you have any other good ideas, and welcome to contact us, and we can try together to help you achieve your expectation. Yeah, that's no problem. And for the electric power tools, the package is wood box. And usually 2 pieces have trolley in one package to facilitate transport and package. And also we can see the and also you can see the package cost by this way. So we usually order you. So we usually suggest you can order 2 pieces as the sample order. And most important that you can save the transport cost and the package cost of this item. And for the standard shipping way for our products is shipping by sea. And for the full container loader, we will check the container we ordered in advance to ensure there is no damage and it's clean. And our own shipping company and the forward will protect your goods value while the sea travel perfectly. They are famous in this shipment for many years, so you don't need to worry about it, and you can always trust to buy from us. That's no problem. Also, we will provide you the video and the photo for the loading site, and if you need, that's no problem. Okay, I think my part is nearly closed, and after my introduction about the mini dumper and electric power tools, I hope all of you should already have the clearly know about this. And if you missed the past few live show about this equipment, I think you already review it well. And also, we hope to help you find your ideal machine at the end of the March. And if you have any questions and other interested details, you can leave your comment, and we can answer online. And now I will invite Samantha to give you the introduction about the lux split and the compressor mixer, and she will show you more. Now welcome, Samantha.
Okay, and thanks for Kelly's performance and also the concordance about the mini dumper, also with the power barrel and other items that we have already shown in live tour. And now, I will talk about something. Okay, thank you. Just leave that here. Okay, and if you are interested in more products in TP collections, please send your inquiry to us, or maybe just leave your comments online and we can check it and answer you directly. And if you want to let us feature all the different products in TP, please let us know. Okay, now let's move on to my part. And for the electric power tools, it is a really helpful helper and in our daily life. And no matter you are the home users or just landowners, or maybe you have a factory or you that's for the construction sites, it is really helpful and convenient. And first of all, and let me say or review or recap something about the concrete mixer. And for the TP collections, concrete mixer, and the full line on that is from the 46 liters to 260 liters for the drum capacity. And with all the different drum capacities in that to support your different using requests and into your different usage. And it is belong to construction equipment and also used for the construction buildings, or you want to use that in your home or make your own house and enjoy the family time. I think it is really convenient tools and for you. And for the design on the different concrete mixers in TP collection, and we want to supply the much more simple and convenient tools to you to operate the different operations. And for the with the DC brushless motor to support your working very efficient and effortlessly. The two pieces fans designed inside could support you to mix the different stuff and very easily, such as the water, concrete, sand, anything else, and you want to mix them, that is 100% perfect well. And for the tipping wells, yes, and like the circle, and we call this part, it is tipping well, and the tipping well as the foot pedal and could make the concrete mixer into the three directions, the discharge, storage, and locked. So, and I think and some of you will know and what I have already operated that before, like that. Yeah, and you could push this foot pedal and then go back. Or maybe you just finish your mixing just like that to turn on that. So, and you could finish all of them and just get them out. Yes, and with this, the design and the functions could make these concrete mixers into the different directions. It is really helpful. And with the two solid rubber wheels, could support this concrete mixer very easily to transport from one place to another place. And I know you use this kind of power tools just outside, and it could capture your transportation very easily, and it could help you to make that into anywhere you want. And for the all the surface, we use the powder coating producing process to protect it anti-burst during the long time and sunshine, and it could be used a lot of time and outside for a long period. It is no problem. And for the package and for on this TP concrete mixer, it was packaged by carton and one piece in that. For the spare parts, you need to assemble them by yourself, and there is the instruction book and also with the instruction operation assembly videos on YouTube, and we would like to send these details for your reference if you need them. And for the other details on these concrete mixers, I think the most importantly, that will be price. Yes, and the 3P concrete mixer is with a competitive price for all the different buyers. So if you are interested and want to expand your local market with this kind of helper, that is the really better options for your selling in local. So welcome your inquiry, or maybe you are need a more bigger one or larger one, that is no problem. And this is all the recap informations about concrete mixer. So if you are interested in more details, and please leave your comments online, or maybe you could send us the email. We can send the full catalog and also with the full model price list to all of you for your reference and for your evaluations. And for the concrete mixer, and the sample could be available for the testing. And maybe some of you are just interested, or maybe freshers who want to go into this market in your local and sample is a must action. So we would like to support your business 100% as what we can do. So welcome your inquiry. And now let's go to the next part, then for the electric lock splitters. I think for these demonstrations of electric lock splitters, we just finished on during the several lives before, and then I think it is really impressive, and I hope you enjoy that moment with us. We just do the introductions and also we'll show you the different functions, operate that for several times, and splitting the different pieces, shapes, and hard disk to wood and into that. For the electric lock splitters Fortune and model number is QTP5553, which have already showed in our live. Yes, and it's here. It is really small and with the heavy splitting force and Fortune. And I think, and although it's really small, it's the performance is very powerful. So, and you could imagine the more bigger one that will be much more better than that. And for TP collections, there is 4-tone, 5-tone, 6-tone to 7-tone. All these 4 different splitting force capacity, that is all the same shapes. Yes, and we want to design some the lock splitters into the one collection and just make the different configurations for your different usage. And for the performance on these electric lock splitters, I think it is really incredible. And the control systems is by hydraulic pump, and also with the two-handle, and two-handle operation system could help you or could protect you from injuring during your working. And with the solid wheels could make your transportations very easily, and maybe some of you use them into your shelf and want to transport it from the shelf to your another houses. It is really convenient, and that could make you to go anywhere you want. And for the 20-second circle time, or maybe more faster than that, could save people a lot of energy and time, and could help to you to make the splitting very efficiently and also effortlessly. And for the charging plug on that, and it is 100% matched with your local demand. So same as the other tools in TP electric power tools, so there is no problem, no need for you to think about that. And all of these two kind of models will show you it belongs to electric power tools. So, and no any worries about the adding fuel, no pollution, and no noises. And for the electric lock splitters, 4-tone, 5-tone, 6-tone, 7-tones, and we also supply the sporting frame. It is really helpful for you to save your back power if you need that. And for the safety guard, it depends on your choice. Yes, and because the different countries have the different requests of the importing these power tools. If you are from the Europeans, that will be must with the safety guard. And if not, and it depends on your choice. About the 4-tone to 7-tone electric lock splitters, and I have mentioned it before, they belong to the horizontal, and there is the different shapes of the lock splitters, such as the horizontal or the vertical. And yes, and in TP collections, and we all supply them. So if you are interested in more bigger or much more wider, or maybe just stronger splitting force capacity, that is no problem. And for the verticals and also for the horizontal versions, that is no problem. And also with the different fuel type, and some will be like the model we show you in our live electric, and some of will with the gasoline type, or maybe some are just PTO or with the motor directly. So this is all the different selling options for your reference. If you are interested in more, and you could send us email or maybe leave your comments online, and you could go to our website to see the full collections to get more details. And also, and we talk the product we are recap today, and all the product link is online. If you are interested in that, please click the product link and get the competitive price and other services. And for the for the description box, and we have show you online, and there is with the full details and some of the operation videos for your reference. I think it is really helpful. And for the electric locks leaders and for the warranty, is same with other electric power tools and 6 months. For this kind of tool, power tools and package was in cartoon, and maybe some of you will need the colorful with your own logo, that is no problem, or maybe you could send us your color card, that could be okay for us to supply all of that. And for now, I think all the recap of the TP collection products in supermarket activities will be closed. And we hope you enjoy this moment and could get some of the real meaningful and significant key points on the construction equipment. And for if you like our live or like this way to show the different products, and please give us more thumb and likes. Yeah, and much more like me, yeah, and Samantha, and the members of myself and Trip Peak always to be here to serve you. And we want to change or exchange some great ideas with all of you to make business growth together. So, and welcome you to join us, and we want to do something different in this field. And for all the whole March and supermarket activities, and we got a lot of good feedbacks from you. So thanks for your attention and time. And in the next month, in April, and we have already prepared some hot selling, also the top rated producing items and in our life, and it is snow roller and plate competitor. So please keep follow Trip Peak and ask more. We will give you more than what you think. And if you want to get some of the other service like the shipping or sourcing or any different working process into work, and welcome. And for us, and we're open-minded to help each other, to support each other to do better. So thanks for your attention and following, and I hope you enjoy this moment with us. And there will be the free holidays in China soon, and we call that Qingming and Tomb Sweeping Day. Yes, and on this day, and people normally go out to see the old families, to see some of the that, and we go to the graves and to uproot all the busts and tombs on that. Also prepare some of the paper monies and food for them. I think, and in the Chinese Lunar March, and it's in the beginning of the spring, and that the tree turns green and flowers blossom, and also the sun shines brightly. And on this festival, it is not only a day for that, but also for the people to enjoy themselves. And we want to enjoy the nature scenes that's in this festival, and hope you have a nice weekend soon. And this is all for today's live. So I hope you enjoy this moment, and hope you enjoy all the supermarket activities in TP collections. And I will invite Candice to join me to finish this live.
Okay. And thanks for the freshest. I found that there's some freshest just coming, and thanks for your watching today. Because Candice and my colleague Samantha have already finished her part. And today we're going to introduce the new electric module, the electric platform trunk. And we also give you the conclusion about the product, the mini jumper, the electric power tools, the component mixer, and the lux splitter we introduced before. And because today is the last day of the March, and I hope all of your purchase plan is in process. And if not, I hope you can find a satisfaction after our today's introduction. And I hope today's live show can help you will. And after the Qingming holiday, we're back on the April. The live show will keep make the live show, and we will also introduce another modules of our products, such as the snow blower or the other products maybe you like, and we will introduce more in the future. So don't hesitate, and thanks for your watching today.
Okay, so please keep following and follow Trade Peak on Alibaba Facebook and YouTube channel. We will see you on every Tuesday and Thursday morning at 8 a.m. See you every time.
Bye.
Bye.
See you.哎呀，今天，其实今天。